The CNC router, ready to rock and roll. Made a couple test cuts already. I really need to hook a vacuum up to the spindle, but I'm going to manually hold the vacuum on it when it's running. But I'll go ahead and start it, and then run on over, start the vacuum, and follow the cut. But anyhow, it's pretty accurate. The table's plus or minus 1 to 2 thousandths end to end, side to side, which is pretty good. I didn't think it was going to be that close. But anyhow, let's go. I'm going to go ahead and cycle start, and let's see what happens. There it is. That's just something that I designed in CAD real quick just to run a test. I don't know what the heck it's supposed to be, but it looks pretty cool anyway. Anyhow, that's it. The MikcronCNC CNC router. First cuts.